What is up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog, and today we're back here in Chicago downtown. So for today we're gonna go to the Chicago Riverwalk. So guys, we kind of parked a long way from the Riverwalk, so we're gonna have to walk going there. And you know, the only way to explore Chicago is by walking to the streets and all that stuff, so that's why we are walking right now. So I'm with Gogo, my sister. Too bad Karen is not here, she has to go to work. So it's gonna be the three of us. Whoa. So guys, this is actually my first day here. I mean, this is my first time here in Chicago Riverwalk. I've never been here, and there's a lot of people today. There's a lot of photographers and videographers and all that stuff. Cool. Alright guys, there is a lot of people here today. It's a beautiful day, the sun is out, the wind is blowing in their face, and the water is so green. I don't know. It's too bad that Karen can't be here. This is very dangerous. It's really too bad that Karen can't be here, but she has to work. Probably maybe another day we're gonna go back here, and so that Karen can see, you know, because she hasn't been here. Alright guys, you see that building right there? This one, those are actually, that's actually a parking area. That is cool. Alright, let's find where my sister is and Gogo is. Okay. There they are. Pictures? I don't know about you guys, but I'm kind of terrified to do that. because I don't know how to swim. But looks fun though. Sorry about that. So I think they're ready, and since this is the Riverwalk, we're gonna start walking. Let's go. So this is the winery here. They're all lined up to get some wine, beers, and all that stuff. Yeah. Hopefully I'm not going to be copyrighted by this song though. There's like a lot of restaurants here that you can go to, and this is like a long stretch, the Riverwalk. Yeah, so keep that in mind. There's like a lot of wedding pictorials going on today. This is actually the second one that I've seen. Wow. Look at that, that's cool. They have the lights and all that stuff. That's amazing. Ano balita? Kamusta ang exercise?
Walang balita. Walang bago.
Look at that, guys. It's a Texan. It's cool. It's real bad that Karen can't be here, but you know, she's not off today. Too bad. Yeah. But it is what it is. Look at that post.
One more. No, one more. Yeah.
Actually, I just want to come back here and just take photos and all that stuff, because it's kind of hard to take pictures and vlog at the same time. Alright guys, we are back here on top. This is the view from the top of the bridge. That's actually cool. See those parking right there? Man, never seen that before. So guys, Alright, it's all that walking. We got really hungry and now we are here at Panda Express. And we're just gonna take some food before we go to the movies. We're actually gonna watch a movie today. Karen is gonna be out of work at 10, so we have like time to spare. Right now it's only 5 p.m. So we're just gonna be eating here for the meantime, and then after that we're gonna go to the movie court to watch a movie. Yeah. So I guess we're done here, guys. I'm just finishing this up, and this is actually good. Yeah, I think we're done here, and then we're gonna be heading to Movie Co to watch the movie. It's gonna start at 7:45, so we have time to go there. It takes about like 42 minutes to go there, so yeah. All right. Yeah. Okay, I don't know if it's just here in the city, but you know the washroom here, guys, is actually locked. You have to call the associate to have it open so you can, you know, take a leak or whatever to use it, which is interesting. Just comment down below, guys, if it's the same thing. Yeah. Alright guys, we are on the move again, and the good thing about this is once we get to our car, we've already walked like a few miles, and yeah, we're gonna be hungry again. But you know, it's fine. So there you have it, guys. That's the Chicago Riverwalk. There's like a lot of things to see and places to go here at Chicago, and as much as possible I want to, you know, share it all with you guys. So if you have any suggestions where I should go next, you know, just comment down below, and we'll try and see if we can go over there. Yeah. 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 Oh, I wanted to go there, but it's kind of close. Well, it is close. Too bad. I wanted to go there and check out, like, you know, cameras and all that stuff. So, okay, so we are back here at the parking lot. So with that said, guys, I'm gonna be ending the vlog here. So if you did like this video, guys, just give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think about this video. Once again, if there is a place that you want me to go to, just comment down below. We're gonna try and see if we can go there. And if you're not a subscriber yet, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, subscribe. You already know, so yeah.